Hi guys and welcome to today's live intraday trading. So right now I'm short selling PEL in the market level now around 786. So let's see how the stock will perform today. And right now the market is trading around 0.08% up, not much of a bullish movement here. And I have calculated the support and resistance level for the Nifty according to my calculation. So we can see that the Nifty can touch some of the support levels for today. That means the Nifty can come down a bit today. So that's why I short sold PEL, and also the PEL can touch somewhere around 780 is what my view is according to the study and the strategy according to me. Okay, so planning to take that target up to 4 or 5 points, not much as the stock price is within 1,000, so we cannot expect fast movement or much points in one single direction. So that's why I'll be planning to take the target up to 4 or 5 points. Okay, so short sold around 786, so let's wait till 781 or 782 and see how the stock will perform. Okay, so this can take some of the time to give a movement because this stock is priced within 1000. So the stock which are above 1000, we can expect fast and quick movement to happen. Okay, so let's see how the stock will perform today. And the stock is still trading around 785. Okay, and also guys, to make consistent profit in intraday trading, you need to have a good trading strategy and a trading setup. Okay, so if you guys wish to earn consistent profit in intraday trading, you can join my course today. In my course, I'll teach you the simple skills to make consistent profit, no indicators and no complicated things. It's a one-time payment, you get lifetime support with the live market guidance as well. Okay, so the course prices are very less and reasonably priced. It's the amount what you spend for eating your favorite snack or a fast food in a month. And also you can go inside my channel and watch the daily live trades what I've uploaded, so you will be getting the same trades once you join us. Okay, it's a one-time payment, you get lifetime support with the daily live market guidance as well. So guys, yes, after some time, if you guys can see, the stock is trying to make a new low here. So it is just trying to give a breakout at 785. So once we get the breakout around 785, we can expect some of the fast movement to happen is what my view is. So let's see how the stock will perform. And as of now, the market is coming towards the bearish side. If you can see at the top left side, the market is just 0.01% up now. Okay, so the stock was still trading around 786 787 levels only. So I think once it gives a breakout around 785, we can expect our target to it. So let's wait for the next few minutes and see how the stock will perform. Okay, and also if you guys want to make constant profit in intraday trading, you can join us today by messaging me on the WhatsApp number displayed on the screen. You can get in touch with me personally and I'll be guiding you guys about the whole process of making consistent profit. Okay, and also you can start with the minimum investment like 5 or 10,000. Okay, so you can start with minimum 10,000 and make a decent amount of profit, and then once you get confidence, you can increase your capital to make consistent profit. Okay, so guys, yes, now it is going to give a breakout, I guess. So yes, the breakout has been given. So 784 is a new low what it has made as of now. So yes, now we are getting closer to the target. So 784 is a new low, and the market has now come to minus 0.07% down. And yes, the market can come down today and take a support is what my view is. So 783 here, 783.10 is a new low what it has made. So we are almost getting to the target now. So yes, I'll just take the target in the next few minutes guys, and I'll update you so you can continue to see the live trade how the stock is going to perform now. Okay, so as of now the new low what it has made is 783. Okay, so guys, yes, as you guys can see, the stock has made a low of 781 and I took my exit. So this was the profit what I was able to book today in the today's trade of PL. So if you guys wish to earn consistent profit like this and want to learn all the techniques of making consistent profit in intraday trading, you can join us today. And also you can go to the link in the description of this video and go inside my blog, and there you can see the earning proof and feedback from my clients what they have given us once they have joined and they're able to make constant profit. Okay, so even if you also wish to earn constant profit like this from today, you can join us now by messaging me on the WhatsApp number displayed on the screen. So guys, you can go inside my channel and watch all the videos. So I upload daily live trades about what trade I take and what trade I do. So you can see all the performance, and if you guys wish to earn consistent profit like this in intraday trading, you can join us. I'll be guiding you guys personally in the live market. The same trade what I take and the same levels what I do, you will get the same trades as well. Okay. So if you are interested to make consistent profit from today, you can join us now.